Keto Fat Bombs. Welcome to our video of Keto Fat Bombs and where to buy them. Please watch till the end to find out more. Keto Fat Bombs are a delicious combination of ketogenic ingredients that you can have as a snack, dessert, or meal replacement. They contain over 90% fat, are easy to make, and come in a variety of different flavors from the Savory Pizza Fat Bombs to the sweet Maple Pecan Fat Bomb bars, and everything in between. On top of all that, Keto Fat Bombs provide many health benefits that you won't get from eating a high-protein meal like the herbed roast chicken with Brussels sprouts. This is because high-protein meals provide us with extra protein that may be used as fuel instead of fat. Fat bombs, on the other hand, are so high in fat and low in protein that they will help you burn more fat for fuel and stay in ketosis. This provides ketogenic diet newcomers with a ketosis kickstart and long-term ketogenic dieters with an increase in energy and weight loss. The two most common ingredients that are found in fat bombs, coconut oil and high-fat dairy, have many health benefits as well. Coconut oil, for example, provides the body with supplemental ketones. This is because coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are a type of fat that are absorbed quickly and used as fuel. More on this later in our videos. Even fat bombs that contain high-fat dairy have unique health benefits because they contain vitamins, minerals, and a fatty acid called conjugated linoleic acid, CLA. This fatty acid has been found to prevent heart disease, increase immune function, and decrease body fat. CLA is found in higher quantities in dairy that comes from healthy 100% grass-fed cows. Keep this in mind when you start looking for high-fat dairy to put in your fat bombs. If you want to permanently say goodbye to all that unwanted fat, you have to play the keto game correctly. Click the link in the description below so you can turn the keto diet into a sustainable, long-term weight loss lifestyle. Thanks for watching our ketogenic diet video. Now you know more about keto fat bombs. Please see the next video regarding the ketogenic diet and our previous video of the keto diet for women's weight loss. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified of our next upload.